Hi, this is Taya from WTI, and I'm a proud friend of a Roomba. He is, or she is. It's a good robot to have in your home because it does a phenomenal job on keeping the dust away from your floors, or like if you have sand or grass or, just anything. And spot clean. This one is capable of taking care of it, and it will always tell you when it needs your attention. And it's just like a nice household appliance to have. Of course, always make sure that there's nothing that he can get stuck on the floor, because you don't want to be a stumbling block for a robot that is helping you out by cleaning your home. And it works well on tile, on wood floor, on carpet. It tackles all kind of obstacles on its way to make a cleaner home. And depending on like size of your apartment or house, one battery might take care of the whole apartment, but it might be also that it needs to go and rest for a while. It goes and charges itself. It tells you when to empty the bin. So it's just like very, very handy product. I never knew I would love a robot as much as I love this one. So that is my point of view.